This is Kathy, and we're back with Mockingbird.
And I'm Milky.
Yeah. Never mind. That would make sense to you now. Hey. What the daddies always tell you.
Straighten up
the little shoulder. Straighten up that a little bit. We're talking about me. Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad, but I'm gone. I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see it sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes. Deep inside you wanna cry, 'cause you're scared I ain't there. Daddy's with you in your prayers. I'm crying, wet them tears. Daddy's here, no more that mirrors. We go pull it, gather food, we go do it, Laney. Uncle's crazy, ain't it? Yeah, but he love you, girl, you better know what we got in this world. When it spins, when it twirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls, puzzled in a daze. I know it's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. And keep yourself from it, but somehow it seems to holler that I try to do it the more. Backfires on me. All the things going up. Daddy, wants you to see. Daddy, see. But you see me, that's what you did. That fun is the way, but your mother and me.
The beat is like getting lost in my head right now.
Like it used to be when we were teenagers. But then of course everything always happens for a reason. Sometimes never meant to be, and that's what destiny is. And that's what destiny is. No more worries, rest your head and go to sleep, because one day we'll all wake up and this would all just be a dream. Now, hush, baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. And the little shows your daddy hold you. Dad, mom, this mom, it's gonna be okay. Here right now, and we don't know why. We know how we feel inside. It might seem like crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright.
And we're back on